Okay, so have we solved for x or have we solved for y? Equation number 1, y is by itself. That means we solved for y. Draw the arrow to the other y. So we're plugging in what's in this circle into the second equation. So we have 2. We'll put parentheses, write everything else that's there. So now in the parentheses, we're plugging in the 6x plus 11, right? We substituted that for our y. We need to distribute. 2 times 6x is 12x. 2 times 11 is 22. Bring down your 4x. Bring down your 14. Combine like terms. You have a 12x and a negative 4x. 12 minus 4 is 8x. Bring down your 22. Bring down your 14. You need to get the 8x by itself. The 22 has to go. Since it's positive, you subtract it on both sides. So now we have 8x. This is backwards, so I need to flip it, which means my answer is going to be negative. 12 minus 4 is 8. So I have 8x equals negative 8. I'm dividing by 8. X is negative 1. Now that I know what x is, I need to figure out what y is. So I need to pick one of these first two equations. I like equation number 1. So I'm going to use this equation, but I know that x is negative 1, so I'm going to rewrite it. But instead of x, I put a negative 1. Those parentheses mean multiply, so this is negative 6 plus 11. I have a negative and a positive, so I subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5. I have more positives than negatives, so it's positive. I think the answer is negative 1, 5. Next slide, we'll check. Remember, first number is x. Second number is y. Instead of y, I put a 5 in its place. Instead of x, I put a negative 1 in its place. Bring down your plus 11. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 11 is positive 5. First equation checks out. 2 instead of y, I'm putting a 5. Minus 4 instead of x, I'm putting negative 1. Equals 14. 2 times 5 is 10. Ooh, negative times negative is positive. 4 times 1 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Both equations checked out. This is, in fact, the correct answer. It is time for the exit ticket.